How to log into Costco Citi Card. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Costco Citi Card, or you can search for Costco Credit Card. Well, tons of different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first site, Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi. It will land you on this official page. Now tap on Sign On at the top right corner of the screen and wait for a while for it to load. You will land on the page where you will be able to log into your account. Simply enter your user ID of your account and then enter the password. If you want them to remember your user ID, then tap on this checkbox and then click on Sign On. If your login credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.